Ginoo number 11. Our headphones are now ready. Our Ginoos cannot hear us anymore. Good luck to you, Ginoo number 11.
Ginoo 11, I will read the final question twice. The question is, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Again, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy?
Isa ang lalawigan ng Laguna na mayaman at sagana sa agrikultura, lalo tigit sa mga pinagmamalaki nating tanawin. At ang turismo ay napakalaking tulong para ipakilala natin ang ating lugar hindi lamang dito sa buong Pilipinas, gayon na din sa buong bansa. At bilang isang Lagunense, naniniwala ako na malaki ang aking may tutulong para sa diplomacy ng ating lalawigan in terms of tourism. Because Laguna is not just about destination. It's about stories, people, and pride that we carry in our hearts. And through Anilag Festival, we can show to the whole world that Laguna is not just a place to visit, but a place to explore, experience, and love. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoo 11.
Great start for our top 5 finalists. Now let's invite Ginoo from City of Binyan, Ginoo number 21.
Ginoo 21, I will be reading the final question twice. You ready?
Yes.
The question is, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Again, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy?
Firstly, I believe tourism is connection. We, as a province, Laguna, we attract visitors from other countries or all around Philippines in order to connect and share our culture with our visitors. Because I believe that tourism is not only an economic advantage, but rather it spreads our name, who we are as Laguna, and especially who we really are as Lagunense. Because I believe we Lagunense are innovators and we are the ones rich with culture and history. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Moving forward, we have Ginoo from Palawan, Ginoo number 17.
But hello! I will be reading the final question twice. Palawan, are you ready? Here we go. How do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Again, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy?
Laguna is rooted in culture and history, known for its scenic spring resort, breathtaking waterfalls, vibrant traditions, and locally crafted products. As Ginoong Laguna, I know that this will help us to interact with other people, especially in our culture, on what we are celebrating right now, the Anilag Festival. That's why as the Ginoong Laguna, I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the beauty of our province. The 6 pillars that define Laguna, our love for food, nature, adventure, shopping, and culture and people are the key to showcasing what makes Laguna so special. Laguna is not only a treasure to the Philippines, but to the whole world, and that's thanks to our incredible people who call it our home. We are talented, diverse, and skilled, and that is what makes Laguna so much special. Together, as one community, let's embrace and nurture the beauty of our province. Because I firmly believe that by celebrating our rich history, natural wonders, and vibrant tradition, we can share the essence of Laguna with the entire world. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
3 down, last 2 to go. Let's call on our Ginoo from Lumban, Ginoo number 16, Aston Martin Laganga.
Hello, Lumban. I will be reading the question twice. Are you ready? Here we go. How do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Again, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy?
Good evening, Laguna. As a tourism student, I think tourism has a big impact when it comes to having peace with global system. Because I believe this unites us as a community and an altruistic leader and encouraging role model. My advice to everyone is to embrace our tourism because this makes us, our community, and our world better. And finally, let's take a moment to reflect. As a province, we are recognized as the Silicon Valley of the South, a powerhouse driving our nation's progress. And there is no doubt that I can push even further, especially if I am honored to be this year's Gunoong. Rest assured that I will embody the essence of Lagunense who not only create changes, but lead with strength and purpose. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Answered with conviction. And now we're down to our last.
Ginoo from number 9. Ginoo number 9, Jeffrey Tacuba.
Hello, I will be reading the final question twice. Are we ready? Here's the question. How do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Again, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Sa iyong palagay, paano magiging impluensya ang turismo para maatim ang kapayapaang pandaigdig at diplomasya?
For me po, ang turismo po ay makakatulong sa ating mundo para mas mapa-improve at sa paganda ito. Kaya dapat nating alagaan ang mga tourism spot dito sa ating probinsya nang mas magkaroon tayo ng pagkakakitaan at magkaroon ng trabaho ang mga taong nakatira dito sa atin. Kaya dapat natin pahalagahan ang mga tourist spot dito sa ating probinsya ng Laguna. At lalo pang pa-improve ito para mas maraming mga tao ang kumita at magkaroon ng trabaho.
Maraming salamat, Ginoo number 9.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your top 5 contenders for the crown of Ginoong Laguna 2025.